everyone, and welcome to another Invisalign video. If you don't already know me, hello, hi, I am Candi, and usually this is a place where we talk about mental health and sexuality topics every Wednesday and Thursday, but I am vlogging with you guys my whole Invisalign process, and I thought it was about time that I did an unboxing and talked about what it is that you get inside in detail. So this is the little cute bag that it comes in, and we're going to get right onto what's inside. Alright, so this is what the box looks like that you get, or the bag I should say, and it says Invisalign here, and that you can download the app and stuff. Everything you need to know is all inside. It kind of has this like really cool texture on it, just like the Invisalign do, so I think that's really neat. And then if you open it up, we'll first start with the cool stuff. So here is the box. Again, it has this like same indenting that the Invisalign does. And hold on, let me get the autofocus turned off. There we go. So if you open this up, right here it says made to move, which I think is kind of witty because that is literally what your teeth are doing every time you change your liners. And it's actually really thin. Like it's about the length of your finger to your knuckle, really. It's really, really thin. So if we open this up, you get this stuff on the inside here. So of course, you get this cute little carrying case. Now, the reason why I like this case a lot, I mean, the branding is just so on point, and it says Invisalign on the bottom. But the inside is just so cute. I love this color of blue. I am such a blue lover. So, and then I like that the flower on the inside changed to the blue color as well. And it's magnetized, so it's easy to close and easy to open, unlike regular cases for your ortho products. It's a lot easier to use, this one, and it comes with the crystals. Now, my ortho says the reason why they give you these crystals is literally because you don't want to just have, it would just be this right in the middle, and that kind of looks lame. So to kind of fill up the box, they give you these crystals. Now, they give you 12 of these little crystals, and my ortho also did tell me that you do not need to use a full packet of these crystals every time you clean your teeth, because these things get quite expensive. She said you can use these, I mean, there's all of the ingredients in it here. Honestly, it smells like a chlorine pool when you put this on your teeth, or on your Invisaligns. And she said that these little baggies could last you 2 to 3 cleanings, and I definitely agree with that. You don't really need too much. You just need some hot water to cover just as much of your liners as you would, you know, just put them in a little cup that they fit in, just enough hot water to cover the liners, and then sprinkle in some of this powder, mix it all up, and there you go. It also comes with this brochure. Smiles are just the beginning, and it goes through everything. I downloaded the app. It's neat. I love the function where you can take, it reminds you to take a picture every week and that kind of stuff. If you guys want me to go through the app, I definitely will. I was told that in Canada, at least the Apple one didn't work, but I ended up trying it on my Android device and it did work. And then it just goes through taking care of your liners and all that stuff. And then it just goes into different languages. And then if you open this up, you also have this little booklet that it says instructions. It's your instruction manual on use and care instructions. So it goes through all of the information, how to pop them in, how to brush them, proper hygiene, frequently asked questions, symbols, glossary for the back of these and what do these symbols mean. You got the warning, and then it goes into French and Spanish as well. So that is the whole box. And then the other thing your ortho would obviously give you is all of your liners. So this is what your liner situation will look like. It doesn't really look like much when you see it from this side. I'm on week 2, by the way. Actually, you can tell. So I had a Minions popsicle. You can tell the difference in the color. So I had a yellow popsicle in the first week. You can tell that there's kind of a yellow tinge to this compared to these. But it's really, really minor. So if we flip this around, it goes through, my ortho was kind enough to write down the dates that I will be changing them. Upper and lower, 1 of 31, and then it goes all the way, just in case they gave me an extra pack for the end of October, just in case if I can't make this appointment. But I also love that they put on when I'm coming in for another appointment, because they will be seeing me every 9 weeks, which I think is great, just to make sure that my teeth are on the right track. And then I like to just fold them up like this so that it is easy for me to get to the next week. I am on week 2. Tonight I will be changing to week 3. I know these videos are kind of out of order. I do apologize. But I think this is great, because then what I'm doing is I'm saving my older liners too, just in case if I need to go back or anything like that. At least I have my older pair, and then you can move forward. The other really neat thing is if you look from your first week to your last week, you can definitely see a progression from the one to the other, and I find that really, really neat to see. So then the good thing about this size of bag is you can shove in your liners, shove in your box, like so. And there you have it. Everything all in one place, so you do not lose it. I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone, and I will see you again on the next Invisalign video, where I will be talking about my first week wearing my liners, and you guys will see that next Wednesday, so I hope you will subscribe, and I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next week. Bye!